Hello and welcome to the Tesla community channel. This time with a special episode of new Tesla merch. So Tesla bought action figure. So it comes in a package like, I don't know, 40 euros. And I prepared unpacking this because there's like this plastic around. So you get a little hammer, then a charger, I think for inductive charging, and then you have the robot itself, which is an action figure. And yeah, it can do all kinds of tricks, like bend its knees, arms, hands. Right, so it's quite elastic, even though I just have one hand available right now. But yeah, I think it's very neat. So yeah, it's a great idea, and I think this will be the most amazing product probably that Tesla ever releases, at least from the standpoint of right now, because you never know what they're cooking. All right, have a nice day.